mixed emotions, Lord, of joy, of sadness, and a bit of anxiety. Joy because we finished another ladder in our journey to live and love. Sadness because we shall leave familiar faces of friends, classmates, and our teachers. Anxiety because we do not know what lies ahead of us. But Lord, we are always confident that you will be with us as you are always in our quest for higher education.